Hello, boys and girls, parents and guardians. I am creating this recording for you to show you how to log into Mayan, and it can always be accessed to go back as a reference. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sign into Clever. You can have the app on your iPad or your device, or you can log in through Killeen ISD. If you do not have your Clever badge, you can log into Clever using your S number. So it's S and your number at live.killeenisd.org, and then your password is the first three letters of your last name and then that same number again. Okay, I go to Mayan. It looks like this. We log into Mayan. Once you log into Mayan, it automatically is going to pull up your student's information. You can click on a story, push read, start, and then there's the play button down here. It will read the story to your child. If you do not If they do not want to hear it read to them, they're able to navigate the pages by pushing this arrow or this arrow, and they can read it on their own. This all counts towards their minutes. 100 minutes read will give them one brag tag, and it goes in increments of 100. So 100, 200, 300, 400, all the way to 1,000, they will get a brag tag, which they can during the summer. Obviously we won't be here, so they can pick it up in August when they come back. And then the student that reads the most minutes of all of the students in the grade level, the one with the most minutes, will win a gift card to Barnes and Noble. Your student is able to go to library here, and they can click on recommended books based on their interest on their survey that they took. And they can also browse books by looking through categories. So my name is Mrs. Cook, and I am the librarian here at Mountain View. So if you have any questions or need any assistance with everything, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.